Good day, learners! Welcome to Innovated Mathematics Reading Instructions Session 3. This session is titled Translating Phrases to Symbols and Vice Versa Involving Subtraction Operation. At the end of this session, you are expected to enumerate the keywords used in subtraction operation and translate mathematical phrases to symbols and vice versa in subtraction operation. These are the keywords in subtraction. Number 1, decreased by. Number 2, difference of. Number 3, diminished by. Number 4, less. Number 5, less than. Number 6, minus. Number 7, remove. Number 8, subtract from. Number 9, take away. Number 10, withdraw. And the symbol to be used for subtraction is the minus sign. Now let's translate mathematical phrases to symbols and vice versa involving subtraction operation. The first keyword is decreased by. Let's use this keyword in a mathematical phrase. Example, 5 decreased by x. To translate this in symbols, we copy 5 and decreased by indicates subtraction, so we use the minus sign. And we copy x. So 5 decreased by x is translated to 5 minus x. And that is our final answer. Another keyword is difference of. Now, if you encounter this keyword, all we need to do is to subtract the two numbers. And instead of translating difference of to a minus sign, we use the word and. For example, difference of 10 and 9. There's a keyword, difference of, it indicates subtraction. So we're going to subtract 10 and 9. So we copy 10. The word and means subtraction. Since there's already a keyword there, difference of, so we translate and to a minus sign. And then 9. So the difference of 10 and 9 is translated to 10 minus 9. And that is our final answer. Another keyword is diminished by. How do we use this keyword in a mathematical phrase? For example, 10 diminished by 5. Diminished by indicates subtraction. So we copy 10 diminished by translated to a minus sign and we copy 5. So 10 diminished by 5 is translated to 10 minus 5 and that is our final answer. Another keyword is less. For example, b less 10. To translate this in symbols, we copy b. Less indicates subtraction. So this can be translated to a minus sign. And we copy 10. So b less 10 is translated to b minus 10. And that is our final answer. Another keyword is less than. So this time we have the word than. How to use this less than in a mathematical phrase. For example, 6 less than x. So to do this, we copy 6. Less than indicates subtraction. So it will be translated to a minus sign. And we copy x. Now since there is a word than, all we need to do is to exchange x and 6 in their position. So x comes first and 6 will go to the second one. So 6 less than x is translated to x minus 6 and that is our final answer. Another keyword is minus. How do we use minus in a mathematical phrase? For example, 8 minus a number. To translate this in symbols, we copy 8 and then minus is actually translated to a minus sign. Literally speaking, minus. That is already the symbol. Minus a number. A number can be represented by x. So 8 minus a number is translated to 8 minus x. And that is the final answer. Another keyword is remove. Remove from in a mathematical phrase. For example, remove m from 8. How do we translate this in symbols? So remove indicates subtraction. We're going to remove m from 8. So we copy m, and then from, this will be minus, and then 8. Since we remove m from 8, so we exchange 8 and m in their positions. Remove m from 8 is translated to 8 minus m. And that is our final answer. Another keyword is subtract. In a mathematical phrase, we use subtract from. For example, subtract m from 8. Subtract, so it indicates subtraction. We copy m from minus 8. And since we have the word from, so we exchange 8 and m in their positions. Subtract m from 8 is translated to 8 minus m. And that is our final answer. Another keyword is take away from in a mathematical phrase. For example, take away m from 8. So take away indicates subtraction. So we copy m from means minus, and 8, we copy this number. So the word from means we are going to exchange 8 and m in their position. So 8 comes first and m goes to the second. And that is 8 minus m. So take away m from 8 is translated to 8 minus m. And that is our final answer. Another keyword is withdraw. Withdraw from in a mathematical phrase. For example, withdraw m from 8. Withdraw indicates subtraction. So let's copy m, and then we translate from to a minus sign, and 8, we copy that number. And then since we have the word from again, so we exchange 8 and m in their positions. Withdraw m from 8 is now translated to 8 minus m. And that is our final answer. That ends session 3. Now, let's practice. Kindly access the Google form below this video. Happy learning!